Hey, so this is how the scholarship works for Fancy Birds, and I guess how to start playing. First, you want to make sure that you're on the Polygon network. If you've been playing Pegaxy, then you should have it already installed there. Copy your address and then send that to your manager so they can run it to you directly, right? Then you want to go to browser, go to fancybirds.io. You can download the Android app, but for this one I'll just show you how to play in the browser. So click on Nest, connect your wallet, sign the message. So if once you have your once you've given your address to your manager, they will send you the Fancy Bird, and you can see it right here. So I have two here, and then so basically you just want to check here on My Birds to make sure that you have the NFT one, and then it will say here rented, and there's some details here, but it was on the rent history. It will show you what your percentage is, and then all you gotta do is play games, play in browser, and then you want to connect. Okay. Why can't it connect? Oh. Okay. Then maybe you can do play that fancy birds.io, and then click on connect. There you go. So you have to do it, type it in directly, connect, sign. There you go, and then start game. Main menu, and then you have your quest here. So this time is the when the server will reset, so you have to complete your quest before this goes to 0. So here are your quests. Basically you have to score exactly 9 and you'll earn 3 coins or 3 FNC. Holy fly for 400 seconds. Wow, it's gonna be hard. And then score 150 points in total. So basically you just have to keep playing and scoring until you hit a total of 150 points altogether. I think different birds have different quests, and maybe it changes every day too. And then you have the weekly ones here. So it shows here that you have 2 days left to complete all this to earn the amount of FNC tokens, right? So you have to play for 3 hours, score 1,000 points in total, and then you have to also check in. Basically you have to play every day and connect, and then you have to do it regularly, right? I think you can't miss any days, otherwise you won't be able to earn this. So 7 days, 7 consecutive days you have to play, and then you'll earn 7 FNC. Yeah, and then if you have I think different birds, you can choose here and then go back, and then you can, it has its own quest too. right? So this one has 190 points in total. Play 95 times and score exactly 8, right? So different birds, different quests. What else? And then on your wallet is how much FNC you've earned, and then swapping. We'll do a tutorial later on what do you call this? On how to swap. But for now, just play the game and complete the quest. All right, thanks.